Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. What's going on out there, everybody? Y'all know the drill. It's Thursday. Y'all know what Thursday mean? Tech Talk Thursday. That's right, man. Twice a week, I try to go online and catch up on some things and discuss some things. And some of the questions that I get in email or message that I do not have time to answer can pretty much be answered right about now. Okay, so Tim, I was watching last night, man. Matter of fact, I was about to call in, and there's some what they call it, technical difficulties. All right, he had a show on last night discussing the Chrysler Dodge product, and a lot of input was going on about what may have happened. What happened? Like they ask, like, what happened, as if something drastic has happened to where the brand is no longer any good. Anytime I hear somebody talk like that, man, here's my answer for that. The Dodge Charger and the Dodge Challenger and the Ram 1500 are top sellers. So no matter how much of a beating the image takes from different angles, it still managed to. Everybody still want that Charger and that Challenger. So go figure. The brand can't be that bad if they still, I don't know what magazine grade these companies as far as the video Tim called. Yeah, I don't know what company grade these car makers as far as sales, but the Dodge Charger and Challenger and the Ram 1500 still top sellers. Hey, by the way, guys, the journey is done. I told y'all that last week, didn't I? Got the journey done with the heater hoses. And no, I did not do all the things that's required to do it right. That is simply because I had some leeway. And what I mean by leeway is it was a fidelity warranty job, and they was trying to cut costs just as much as I was trying to cut work. Go figure. We on the same page for once, right? Yes, right. All right. It was a big some kind of warning. The screen had went out, so they were saying refresh and but it's cool. I'm sure he'll talk about it some more. But Red Pill. What up, C.E. Williams? I just wanted to say I saw the video. Yeah, he started having technical difficulty, and I lost it or something. I came in like right when the screen was messing up, but I heard everybody going through like the history as far as the valves dropping on what year model, the Hemi, the 4.7. One guy was still bragging on the 4.7. One guy was bragging on the 4-liter. My only answer to those that be asking for those engine back is those engines can't stand the Titan emission standards that's out now. Okay, they will burn too much gas. And I can't believe it's from a burning fuel standpoint, because some of those mile per gallon readings on those stickers are terrible, guys. So one of the things, I guess consumers don't care what gas or how much mile per gallon you getting, how much miles you get into a gallon. They don't care. If they want something, they gonna get it. That's what I'm learning from this. So I used to think that would turn people off, but no. All right, Tim calling you the Black Scotty. All Scotty does is Rambo. You help people. Yeah. Hey, man, what can I say, man? I don't want to get into that, but because I still got some more Scotty stuff I want to take. So when I'm doing that, I tend to leave them alone during that time period. Now, when I'm done, then all bets are off. But yeah, so like I said, I caught some of that. What else going on this week? A lot going on this week. I had got beat up by y'all know we in the summer season, right? So a lot of AC coming in. I gotta knock the car wheels out of my brain, guys. If you don't understand how AC work, what's going on when it leaves the compressor, what's going on when it leaves the evaporator, at what state the refrigerant is in when it's leaving such and such and such and such. That's gonna be hard to diagnose, guys. From a standpoint of if you diagnosing it based off leaks, in other words, you put gauges on it and there's no Freon in it. That's a different type of diagnosing as opposed to diagnosing it from a standpoint of the system is full and it's still not cold. The compressor on, things like that. That's where the basic understanding of air conditioning come in at. You got to understand what's going on when refrigerant doing what it is that it's doing. What state is in when it's leaving the compressor going to the condenser, from the condenser to the dryer or the H valve or whatever, all the way up to the evaporator. So I had to brush the cobwebs out of my head, try to remember some of this stuff, because I had one full charge and it was not cold. Y'all know one of the tricks I employ, this is an older model minivan. One of the tricks I employ is boop, 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 boop. I will knock on the H valve. I've once had my gauges all acting crazy. Boop, 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 with a hammer, the gauges act up and turn right and start freezing. That's the easy way out. I mean, everybody not gonna get that lucky. I get lucky from time to time. My gauges get right and I get cold, but it's gonna fail again. So thinking goes, there's a restriction somewhere in that expansion valve. Those are some of the tricks I employ. Now, I'm in a new car facility, so most of the stuff I'm seeing is with the R1234YA refrigerant, which means we use a machine, which means that refrigerant is expensive and you have no room for error. All right. You can't be, the machine won't let you proceed if the car is not fixed. So basically, if the machine go through the automatic settings, then there's no leaks. The car is fixed, basically. As far as refilling the back up refrigerant, stuff like that. But as far as you diagnosing and trying to figure out why it's not cold, that's a whole different monster, man. So yeah, it get crazy sometime in the shop. I got beat up by a lot of stuff this week, and it's not gonna stop. I mean, you can complain about it and do whatever it is you do, but it's still gonna go on, man. What up? I spoke to C.E. Williams. What's going on, C.E. Williams? Nah, man, not really, man. I ain't got nothing on that dude, man. That dude is like, you know, years. When you get that many years of experience, you have a lot of stuff to talk about. Even if it's, I know a lot of people, mechanics, complain about, they want to know what's wrong with a car. You know what I'm saying? So Scotty can talk automotive in general and create an audience. Okay, so he's not talking about nothing in specific terms. Like I might have a video on the charger overheating. Here's how to fix it. You know, so that's a whole different thing. But that is one of the, you know, I don't know, man. It's crazy, man. I like the charger. That's what's up, Red Pill Babe. What's going on, man? Hella in the building. What up, Hella? If the Chrysler product was junk, we would be nonstop in the dealership, and that's not the case. Right. So, you know, I think they, like I say, man, the one or two bad apples that's ruining it or ruining the image will eventually go away. Over time, they will go away. But I'm afraid, like the Pentastar has taken a big enough beating to where they may have to change the name. Sometimes, you know, how businesses go under new ownership, and they make sure you understand that under new ownership. In other words, the stuff we did in the past don't grade us on that. We're under new ownership. Same with that Pentastar can go under a whole different name and be back on top as far as image. But right now, the image is tarnished, is taking a beating, man. We will be nonstop. Yeah, hella, it's crazy, man. CJ, what's up, man? How you doing? All that good stuff, man. You know the drill. What's going on?